There's one final thing we want to do before we go ahead and set up the other formatting and comments and archiving options for your blog. We want to go back to the basic tab here. Go ahead and click the basic link. And you'll see that we've already titled the blog Magnificent Molly. You can always change this at a later date. But one thing we haven't done is give the blog a description. So we want to give the blog a description because this tells the world exactly what your blog is about. So if your blog is about something business-oriented, then you'll want to tell a little bit about your business, maybe give some contact info. If it's more personal, just say the basic personal things you'd like to say about it. So I'm going to say this is personal weblog of Magnificent Molly. You might want a little more detail in your description, but I think that will suffice for now. Remember that you only have up to 500 characters, so you can't get too verbose. And this is going to be put into portions of your weblog, used by Blogger to put it along the sidebar or wherever, in the design, the description of the blog falls. So you want to make sure that this is well written and reflects appropriately what you're trying to do with your weblog. And then you'll see another option on this particular page, and it's called Add Your Blog to Our Listings. This means that if you want to make your blog public and available to other Blogger users, you can go ahead and click yes. But if you don't want to have your blog name showing up, then go ahead and use no. I'm going to set mine to no for right now because I'm still experimenting, and most of you are in the early stages of setting this up. So it's probably best to get comfortable with the process before making it public. So I'll go ahead and select no, and then save the settings. And now we see that the settings were saved successfully, and it says you must republish your blog to see the changes. That means that you have to ask Blogger to send all of this information, all this new data that we just got set up, to the FTP server to make sure that everything is in place. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, Blogger is putting it together, and now the blog was published successfully. If you want to, you can go ahead and view the blog in a new window. Let's go ahead and do it in a new window. And as you see, there's my blog with the template ready to go. Here's the blog's name. Here is the description. And very, very simple empty sections right now because we haven't done anything with them yet. But eventually we're going to fill out this whole design with all kinds of neat things. So if you've gotten to this point, you're doing great, okay? And we're going to go ahead and complete other settings now.